Hey Wagwan, you're welcome back to my channel. I am Kidas Clean, aka Superstar Boy, and in this video, we will be showing you how to download music from your Audiomack straight to your phone. I made a video about this 3 years ago, and I am very glad it was very helpful. But I've been getting a lot of comments lately that they are unable to download their songs from Audiomack straight into their phone, and I am so happy. In this video I'll be showing you the solution to it. Trust me, this is going to help. So in case you are unable to download your music from Audiomack straight into your storage by watching this particular the older video, then trust me, you are on the right video right now. So let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you are going to be needing just two apps, your Audiomack and a file manager. So let's go to Audiomack, and then on your Audiomack you'll be searching for the song you want to download. Let's search. I'll be using my song. Okay, then you'll be clicking on the download button. So I'm downloading. So the song is downloaded now. Then we are going to leave the Audiomack app, then head to our file manager. So for the file manager, you are to download this app. It's called CX File Explorer. As downloaded, is on Google Play Store. Then after you download the CX File Explorer, you click on main storage and you click on Android, click on data, then click on com.audiomack, then you click on files, then Audiomack. So this particular one is the music I just downloaded on Audiomack just now. So you click on it, then rename. So when renaming, you add .mp3. Okay, can you see? Renamed successfully, and the file just changed into an mp3 file. So I can play the song for you. So that's it, and then you can go ahead to rename and give it the title of the song. So it's just actually Killer Brain. Easy. So, and that's it. And then you can move the file to any other folder, maybe folder where your music is or something. And move. Let's just move it to somewhere. Let's save it as a music folder. Yeah, let's see here. And then just paste. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Easy as that. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if it's helpful in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe if you are new here, and please stream my new music. Easy is on all platforms. Please, I need you to stream it for me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. You're welcome.